Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Have you ever created a video draft on TikTok that you love and want to save to your phone, but you don't want to post it publicly? TikTok by default does not offer a direct option to download draft videos to your device. Drafts are stored locally in the app, and if you uninstall TikTok or switch devices, they can be lost forever. So how can you save a draft to your phone's gallery without actually sharing it with the world? First, open the TikTok app and log in to your account. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see a section labeled Drafts. This is where all of your saved, unpublished videos are kept. Tap on the draft video you want to save. After selecting your draft, it will take you to the video editing or posting screen. Don't worry, you're not actually going to post this video to your followers or the public. Tap the next button, as if you're ready to upload. This is the key step in keeping the video private. Before hitting post, scroll down to the section that says who can view this video. By default, this may be set to everyone or friends. Change it to only me. This setting ensures that no one else can see the video after it's posted. It will be completely hidden from all other users. Next, tap on More Options. Scroll down and look for an option labeled Save to Device or Save to Gallery. This toggle tells TikTok to automatically download the video to your phone once it's posted. Make sure this is turned on. Without this, the video won't be saved to your gallery. Now, tap Post. Since you've set the video to only you, it won't appear on anyone's feed except yours. TikTok will begin uploading the video in the background, and once it's done, a copy will be saved directly to your Photos or Gallery app. If you only wanted the video saved to your phone and don't want it to stay on your TikTok profile at all, even under only you can delete it. Go to your profile, tap the video, tap the three-dot icon, then choose Delete. Don't worry, deleting the video from TikTok won't delete the copy already saved to your phone. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.